Hey everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jamming with Yarn. I'd like to welcome you back. Yes, so this is Jamming with Yarn, not deliberate cooking. I'm coming back with the sweater that I promised that I would have done, and I didn't do it. I tried. I really tried. I packed it up, put it in a new container, the one that I have for the holidays. Ooh, look at all those fingerprints. And I tried to start working on it, and then I'm just not going to do it. So I'm telling you, this sweater is dead. It's done. It's over with. That's it. I can never see myself doing this sweater at any time. Ever. Okay? And if I do it, I'm not going to tell you I did it. I'll just come back with it. And so I think it'll be never. Okay. So anyway, this is Shirley. This is Jamming with Yarn. And welcome back to the first episode of this year of a crochet video, I think, which I have nothing to show you. But what I do have to tell you is that, see, my nose is itching. What I do have to tell you is that I decided to make the sweater in a different yarn and start all over. So I pulled out some yarn out of the closet, itchy, out of the closet, and I thought they were both the same. You know, it comes in the 3-pack. This is the Caron yarn, and there is, I doubt if I need all this, 349 yards of this, and it's a number 4. This one here is called Ray Yellow. Okay, and like I said, I thought they were the same, but they weren't. So this one is called Candy Pink. I think that would be something cute for spring, to make another sweater in this. I was looking at the quality of this yarn and the other yarn, and this yarn here, that the previous sweater is in my favorite, Heartland. Heartland is just beautiful colors. Not that this isn't, but they have that shine that just really stands out. So and also the quality, I think it's far as the twist, I think the twist on Heartland is a lot, I don't know if you can see it. I'm in my camera, so and not my cell phone, so I can't see. I think the twist is a little bit thicker. Something about it, which is, you see that? It's just a little bit thicker, but we're gonna go with this. This is my project starting for 2022. Okay, have you guys noticed I'm changing the subject on you? It's a lot easier to say 2022 than it was when the year turned over to say 2021. For me, it's like not hard at all. You know, normally it take you time to get into the rhythm of saying the year. 2022 just sounds right to me. So that's a new project that I'll be working on, and I'll be coming back with that, showing you my progress. Then the other day I was in a meeting, and I was trying to stay focused because my focus has been off because I haven't been resting enough and getting enough sleep. My life situation and within my apartment is changed to where it's just weird. Okay, I can't talk about it right now, but things have changed a lot, so I haven't been getting enough sleep, and because of that, when I'm in meetings or in group Zooms, I have a hard time focus, and so I found myself doodling on just a regular piece of paper, and I came up with this. Okay, can you guys see that? Now it looks like a dog, I don't know, but I tell you, I was into the shapes, and it felt so good because I hadn't did any drawing in a very long time. I don't even think I can remember how to draw. You know, the last time I was drawing figures or drawing faces, and I had got to, I think the very last one that I did was this older lady. Um, well, I think I might have did two. Was then I can't show you, but this older lady with a big hat on, and I didn't finish that one. Um, so it's been a while since I have drawn anything. So I was happy when I did that, and it felt so good that I thought, well, let's go buy some oil pastels, even though I have some. But this is the situation that I'm in right now. Let's just put it like that. So this is how. Let's see. I don't want them to fall out. They come like, I don't know. I can't tell what you're seeing. They're probably a fall, but they come like this, which is a little neat package, I think. So that's one set of them. And up here is the other set. So isn't that cute the way they got it packaged up? It's very convenient. Okay, there you go. So I have these, and I'm going to get started on this after this video, but I'm also making a video for my reading on Resolution of the Heart. If you guys want to come over and listen to it, I would appreciate it. I didn't talk much about, I didn't have a life story today. I did a little bit on a video that I'm putting up for Tuesday, and I did a little bit, but the last one I did is funny when you go back in time and you look at things in your life, you know, they also bring up those feelings. So I was really drained from that, and then everything, my surroundings, that also added to the drain. And then it's just one of those things, even though I'm not things are going on around me, and but I'm not sad inside. That's the thing. I'm not sad inside. I see it, and I know that I need to I don't know, I'm just not sad inside. I just know I see it, and I know I'm dealing with it, you know. It's nothing far as you know, what can you do? All you can do is deal with it, you know. But it's not bothering my peace. And you know, that's the one thing that I've always heard people say, especially on YouTube, because before the videos, before YT and the different stuff, we didn't have the ability to encourage each other because we didn't really know each other that well. You didn't have that many people. You just only had those who were around you, like your family and your immediate friends, but you didn't have a whole lot of people to encourage you. And the one thing about YT is that you meet so many people, you virtually meet so many people that and they have so many good things to encourage you on a daily basis, to where it's been good, you know, it's been good. And I forgot where I was getting with that point. That's why I'm just still going. But anyway, I can't remember. It's not coming back. Oh yeah. So my the Resolution of the Heart is basically the reading that I'm doing is out of the book, the Krishna book here. This book here, and it's a small book, and it's yoga. You know, I don't know how many of you guys are familiar with yoga, but there's, you know, a few type of yogas, but this yoga is basically worshiping Krishna. And so I've been reading this book, and I want to get through it with the people who watch. It's probably only 2 people. One, Positive Bluebird, thank you for being there for me, and maybe 1 or 2 other people. So I want to, you know, continue this reading. This would be my the second week for me reading this, and if you just want to come and hear about it, definitely come along. I'm over at Resolution of the Heart. That's that's what we're doing. So when I finish this video, I'm going over there and I'm going to do the reading, and then I am going to do some personal reading and all something, a few things that I need to do today. That's about it for me. So I'd like to thank you guys for coming back, and I will see you on the next one. The next video for on this particular channel will be a deliberate cooking. I'm getting really good at that. I think the problem with this, you know what, because I like fast food, and I think because we live in a world that we used to going to McDonald's, and I wasn't big on McDonald's, but to fast food outlets, to where I'm bringing myself down to be more patient, and I feel good, cooking the food, but my food is really quick. So lately I've been making these soups, and they feel really good to my chest, because my chest been it's been irritated, and so it feels good. Like I constantly feel like I need something warm and soothing going down it. So I think the last two videos maybe were soup related, um, but they're quick, and they're my recipes, my doing, and I know I need to get back into the real recipes. Well, no, I have to take that back, because I'm just talking with you guys. I think the last one you guys may have seen was the soul food, and that took a long time, because in the midst of making the soul food, I start thinking, oh, I need cornbread with this, with the black eyed peas, and then I had the what do you